Hey guys, we have here our JBL Flip 6, and in this video we want to explain to you how to unpair the speaker from all devices that this is connected to, and the process is called a factory reset. And you might want to do that, for example, because somebody is using your JBL Flip 6 and you don't want them to do that, or for example if something is wrong with your speaker. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is of course turn on the speaker. And then we're going to still see that it is currently connected here to my iPhone X. And then in order to perform the factory reset, we're going to take a look at the button panel here on the side. And we're going to press and hold the plus button and the play button. So we're going to press and hold both of them at the same time, and we're going to hold them for several seconds until the speaker just turns itself off. And this was basically already it. So the next time you're going to turn on the speaker, it's going to be in the original state. And you can recognize that when you turn on the speaker and the Bluetooth button here immediately starts blinking. So the Bluetooth pairing mode is enabled immediately. And then when we are trying to reconnect the phone to the speaker now, the phone is going to show us this pop-up here that this is no longer possible. And the device here, the Flip 6, is going to be removed from our Bluetooth devices. So now, since the Flip 6 is already in the Bluetooth pairing mode, we can now start to pair the speaker again to our phone. And at this point, we are really the only person that has access to the speaker, and it's been successfully factory reset. Okay, so this was already it for this video. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.